Hello, welcome back. I'm Jonathan Farley, and in this series I'm going to be demonstrating Fink and Mao's 85 ways to tie a tie. Now, you can get the book to follow along if you like. There's a link in the description below. It's not compulsory, but you may find it useful. Now, what I should say is use your phone next to your mirror and you'll see that this is my right hand and this is my left hand. So when I say go to the right, it's the same as it is in the mirror. I hope this helps. Some people find that confusing, but it's really simple. Put the phone next to the mirror. So we'll start at the beginning. I'm going to do knot number 1 through to knot number 85 and all the ones in between. So if this is the type of content that you're interested in, please hit the subscribe button. And if you would like to know the instant a new video is released, hit the bell to subscribe. Now, we're going to start with tie knot number 1, the Oriental knot. This is the simplest of all 85 knots. It consists of only 4 moves, and we're going to do them right now. So I'm going to start off with Fink and Mao's notation. Once you understand it, it's the simplest way to learn to tie a tie, but not everybody understands it. So I'm going to show you the Fink and Mao way, and then I'm going to describe it in a more plain English way. If you just want this one knot, or you don't want all the other 84, go with the plain English way. As the book tells us, the knot is tied with the back of the tie facing forwards. Now, it doesn't say the length of the blade, but a little less than fingertip length because it's a very simple knot. It goes left, right, center, tuck. Now what that means is left, the blade goes to the left, it then goes to the right, it then goes up the center, and finally the tuck. And then with every knot, pull the blade down to tighten and then slide up to the collar. Now, and that's the Oriental knot. It's a really simple knot. Now, with a silk tie or a satin tie, you will find that really simple knots are very loose and they come undone. This is the one downside. The simplicity is their plus. The fact that they are very loose is the negative. So you may want to go with a more, if you want the knot to stay in all day, you might want to go with a more complicated knot. However, simple and small, and this is brilliant. If I was describing this knot in my own plain English terms, it would be back of the tie facing forwards, narrow end over wide, around the front, up the back, and down the front. Pull to tighten and slide up to the collar. Now we'll cover dimples in another tutorial, but the dimple here was entirely accidental. We'll cover those separately. However, that again is your Oriental knot in plain English. The Oriental knot. Join me next time for knot number 2 in the series. In the meantime, have fun tying ties and I'll see you later.